Good afternoon, and welcome back to my channel. Also stepping, man. How y'all doing today, man? Before we start, let me just apologize about last video. I know I was a little hot, a little heated. But like I said at the end of that channel, protect the kids, man. Protect the kids, man. It's a lot of grown adults out there tripping, bro. And look, man, I don't play about when they come to kids, man. Y'all need to leave these little kids alone, man. All these little girls and these little boys, let them grow. Let them grow. Let them figure out life on their own. We don't need no grown men trying to tell another kid what to do. But aside from that, man, I'm chilling. I'm cooling right now. And this video is a tutorial video for all you small channels out there that want to learn how to add other channels as your featured channel. Have you ever looked on someone else's video, you scroll down, and then you see multiple channels featured, and it might have a little title saying the guys or my channels, things like that? Well, I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video, you feel me? Now, for long-time YouTube veterans, you probably know about this, you probably already found this out, but for anyone that's brand new and have multiple channels and wanna support it without always having to constantly put a link down in the description, this is the way right here. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, man, we're gonna go ahead and go to the next screen. I hope y'all like the background, man. I got this off Wallpaper Engine. This is a app you can get off Steam for like, I think $4 or $5, or I think 10. I really don't remember. It's been years since I had it. But I went with this background because it gives me a nice, modern, old school Naruto effect, you feel me? That's kind of what I like, you feel me? And not only that, it's also on my other monitor, which is right here. I have a Japanese street type of monitor background, so you know, I like stuff like this, aesthetic. Sometimes I like nature, and then sometimes I like, you know, old styles, you feel me? But enough of that. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna go down, and you gonna open your Safari, your Google Chrome, whatever you're gonna open, and then you're gonna go to YouTube Studio, which, well, it's gonna be studio.youtube.com. Right here is basically where you can see all of your content, all of your comments, anything that you want to do. This is basically where you can come to customize everything on your channel. And like I said, today I'm gonna show all of you how to add a featured channel onto yours. So whenever someone looks on and you, like, say you have multiple channels, like you got a reaction channel, then a gaming channel, then a live channel, you can put that on here. Or if you have a couple guys that you want to support no matter what, you can put them on your featured channel so that people can go check them out, you feel me? So once you're here at YouTube Studio, you're gonna go down here to customization, and then you're gonna go to home tab, scroll down, and right here, featured channels. So my featured channel is basically my gaming channel and me and my wife's full review couples channel, which is these two right here. But to add it, you're gonna go to these three dots right here, click it, edit section contents, and then right here you're gonna put your title to what you want the featured channels to say when people are looking at it. And in this my case, I put the ones with the plan. Basically, these are the ones that have a plan, you feel me? So let's say I wanted to add my boy Lil Edo TV. I will search his name up on here on the search bar, and right here it pops up. You're gonna click that, you're gonna click done, click publish, and then once that's done, you're gonna go to your YouTube channel, view your channel, and if it's not there, refresh, but it should be there the first time you do it, and it's right here. You see my homie channel Lil Edo TV is right here in my featured channels, and it's that simple, it's that easy, you feel me? And look, shout out to Lil Edo TV, man. He definitely deserves more traction, man. So go ahead, go to my channel, go to features, and then go and subscribe to my boy. Get them watch hours up for him, get them likes up, get them comments up, man. No cap, no bap, no kizzy. But that's simple, pretty easy for anyone that's a small channel and want to figure out how they can add multiple channels to theirs, just like anybody else. But let's say you have a channel on there that you don't use no more, don't want on there no more. Pretty simple, pretty easy. You just go back to the same thing. You're gonna click on that channel, and then there's gonna be a garbage can box right here. You're gonna remove it, you're gonna click done, and then it's gonna say publish up here. Publish it, channel's going, it's not gonna be there, you feel me? But pretty simple, pretty easy. Another thing that you could do is you can actually customize this whole section right here, you feel me? But I could do that in another video, or I can't do it right now. But in this section, you know, you can delete sections, you can add sections right here. This is where you can add multiple sessions like live. You can add past live streams, upcoming live streams, single playlists. You can add all of this onto your customizations on your home tab. So anytime you go to your home tab, or if anyone else goes to your home tab, this is what they're gonna see. First, they're gonna see your videos, they're gonna see your shorts, they're gonna see your popular videos, your feature channels, and then your playlist. And then you can always move it. So just like how I just moved my shorts down here, I click publish. I go back to my channel, refresh, and now look, for you, videos, popular videos, shorts. Pretty simple, pretty easy. You feel me? Let me go ahead and switch it back because I do want my shorts to be where they were before. But pretty simple, pretty easy for anyone that's a small channel and want to actually get into the meat and potatoes on how to actually work your channel, how to actually clean up your channel, how to actually make your channel feel like an actual YouTube channel, something that people can just be like, oh, he may be small, but his channel is actually cleaned up. Ooh, you feel me? So that's basically how this is where you can edit your banner for your background of your channel, which is this. You can add your emblem channel, which is your picture, but that you can do that on the smartphone, in all honesty. Your name, your handle, you can add your description right here on what people can look for, custom links, all that, all kinds of links. And then your watermarks. Your watermarks, man, this is definitely a topic for another video because I actually have to change my watermark. Since I don't go by Juice HQ no more, I have to make a whole nother one. But definitely right here, this is where you can change your watermark. You can also click when you want your watermark to be, whether it's at the end of the video, custom start, or the entire video, which I like to do entire videos because it's pretty better. It's better for me. So just in case someone wants to steal a video and then just cover my face with it, my watermark is right there. Right there. And then some people don't know is that your watermark can hide from certain people. But that's all right here, man. It's pretty simple, pretty easy when it comes to customizing your channel, man. And I hope y'all really did enjoy this tutorial that I really showed y'all, man. Look, listen to when I say this, you can do anything that you want in life. Like, there is no reason for you to not be balling like Kobe right now. You feel me? There's no reason for you to be sitting down on your couch figuring out how life would be if I did this, or if I didn't do this, or if I didn't stop this, man. Instead of wondering how life would be, make it happen. You feel me? Make it happen. And I promise you will feel good, man. I pray that every single last one of y'all accomplish everything that you want in life. Love every single last one of y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this, man. Oh yeah. And did y'all see the last video that I posted about academics? Hey man, it's gonna be right here. It's gonna be right here. Click it. I love y'all. Also, we out, man.